In this video, we're touring a stylish and modern 200 square foot tiny floating home. This float home has a great layout and interior design with a living room, kitchenette, bathroom and bedroom, and it has upper and lower deck spaces for enjoying life on the water. Another interesting feature of this design is that it can be installed on 3 types of foundations. On a floating platform like this one, or on a trailer on wheels, or even on a traditional foundation on land. So it's made to be flexible. Bauhaus Habitat builds these float homes, and they've set up a pilot project called Eau Villa near Montreal, Quebec, where people can try them out. We're going to meet up with Arthur, who worked very closely on the design, and he's going to give us a full tour.
We put a lot of love in this project, a lot of time. So this is like equipped like a full house, but you have the sensation of being on a small boat. So this is like the best of both worlds. You don't feel like it's too small. You can actually move in it pretty easily, even if you're 4 people. It feels like it's your home instantly because there's a lot of color, but also because it's quite comfortable. So the floating home, including the deck, is 36 feet long by 12 feet large, and the inside of the house is 24 feet long by 8.5 large. So this project is called Eau Villa. It's a project of 4 floating houses that we made here in the Marina de Chambly. So to get into the houses, you just walk down the dock, you get on the deck, then you arrive through the main door and you are in the living room. So when you enter the living room, you have this sofa. We made it ourselves. The idea was to have a comfortable place when you can relax. You have all the view on the water, but we also wanted to fit 4 people in this house, so we made this sofa that can convert in a bed. It's pretty easy. You just have to pull out the frame and then you unfold the cushions to make the bed. All the beddings at the bottom in the 3 storage spaces we made. Then on the other side of the living room you have a smart TV and a soundbar, so when it gets rainy, which happens sometimes, you can still enjoy and relax in the house. And we have air conditioning and a heater integrated. The walls of the house are made of fiberglass and foam, so it's pretty well insulated and it tolerates a lot of temperature fluctuations. So you could be able to live here all year round. Here you have the patio door to access the terrace, the lower deck, where we have the hot tub and also a really nice view on the river. So there's also a staircase that leads to the rooftop terrace. So this is a really nice place to hang out. We have the sectional sofa on the left and 2 big bags chairs on the right. And it's a nice elevated spot to enjoy the sunset or the sunrise here. Here we have the kitchenette with a small oven and a fridge. We have open storage and we have some storage here. We also have the dining area here that fits 4 people, and you also have a small space to make your coffee and tea. Making the kitchen small and easy was intentional, so that people could enjoy the area here, because we are located like 5 minutes away from a really cool street with a lot of restaurants and bars, and we wanted people to go outside as well. Across from the kitchen we have the bathroom, which is pretty big considering the space we have in the house. It comes with a shower and toilets. We have a nice wooden ceiling. We really wanted people to feel like at home, so this is a nice and warm touch, and the floor is covered with a waterproof lining. Make sure there's no leak. And we have a big extractor fan to make sure that there's no humidity in the bathroom. And we have a storage tank for gray and black water, which is pumped out regularly. Here we are in the bedroom with a queen size bed that we build ourselves. You have storage under the bed. You have storage over there as well. and we have two large windows to bring in a lot of light. We also have over there a small window that you can open to just make some fresh air inside if you don't want to use the air conditioning, or just to enjoy the sound of the waves at night. You also have the option of a screen or a blind. And on this side we have another storage area with two shelves and some hooks where you can hang your clothes. To enter the bedroom, you have a pocket door, which is nice because it slides and it allows us to save space. For power, we are plugged in the marina power system, but we also have a backup system with batteries under the bed. That is to make sure everything runs smoothly if they have fluctuations in power. So the house is placed on a wooden deck with PVC floats underneath, but this house is designed to be used in different applications. We could also put them on wheels with a specific trailer, but also on land. So it's kind of a flexible structure. You just change the foundation and you have a completely new experience.
This float home has a spacious feeling in each room despite the pretty small footprint, and everything fits on one level, so there's no loft and there's no transforming furniture required for day-to-day living, which is great. That being said, some compromises always have to be made in small spaces. For example, here you'll see there's no sink in the bathroom and there's no washing machine. Luckily, most marinas seem to have laundry facilities, so this isn't a huge deal, but the lack of a bathroom sink could take some getting used to. One of the main challenges we've seen with float homes in general is figuring out how to manage gray and black water when you're on the water. So it's important to decide where a float home is going to be set up and to figure out the best waste management solution for that location in advance. This particular marina offers regular pump outs. Overall, this is a really fun float home design that takes full advantage of being on the water with the two big decks and a spot along the side where you can grab a paddleboard and get on the water right at the front door. You can check out the Bauhaus Habitat website to see their builds and to find out more about their Eau Villa rentals near Montreal. Please share this video if you liked it, and if you're into float homes, you can check out some really unique ones that we've featured on our float homes playlist. Thanks for watching.